Hey, it's Kaylin from Travel Yourself, and I'm in Lunenburg, Nova Scotia for the Nova Scotia Spirits Festival, Spirited Away. We'll be learning about all kinds of delicious local spirits and trying them too. Travel Yourself. Tonight in Lunenburg, we are taking part in the Sip and Dash event where groups of people go around to 8 different spots and drink some delicious local distilled liquors. First stop for us is the Lunenburg Dory Shop. You can see there's a dory being made behind me. We're having a lovely drink from Compass Distilling. Stop number 2, we are at Adams and Knickle's, which has been open since the 1800s. We are drinking a Gold Stream, a vodka, and it is delicious. Super good. Stop number 3, this drink is a rhubarb gin from Barreling Tide Distillery, and it is delicious. Stop number 4, we are at Dory Mates. We are trying Raging Crow Dill Pickle Vodka with a splash of Raven Lunatic, and they've made it deliciously into a Caesar with a shot with a mussel on top. Stop number 5, this is the Fireside Song with Fortress Rum made by the Burley Bartender. Stop number 5, we are having a Lequille Sunset here, and it is by Fired Distilleries. Smells delicious. For our 7th stop, we are enjoying some Distillery gin. This drink is called the 3rd Generation. Our last stop is at Ironworks Distillery, where we are tasting rum and gin that are all great.
Now it's very strong, so it's going to be like a high Hawaii in the morning.
We are now going to make our own gin. We've been given a bottle of juniper distillate, and there's a little bit of a space left so we can add some other gins to make it taste really great. This is my finished product. It's a beautiful color because I added mostly hibiscus distillate to it and a bit of citrus.
She'll start.
Oh, made a mess. We've made our own shrubs and now we've made our own cocktail with it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button.